guide you through 4 ways to contact Roblox for support without getting stuck in the automated bot loop or waiting weeks for a response on a critical issue. If you're looking to resolve an account ban, appeal a moderation action, or want to find the direct method to speak to a human representative, and you need to master the support process for contacting Roblox, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. Dealing with Roblox support is challenging, but if you know the right channels, you can break through. We're covering the 4 legitimate ways to ensure your ticket gets seen. First method, the official support form. This is the primary and necessary starting point for almost all non-billing issues, including appeals and bugs. You must use the form correctly to get a human response. Here's how. Go to the official online support page at roblox.com/support. The most crucial step is selecting the correct option in the Type of Help category dropdown. Choosing the wrong category, like selecting Technical for a banned account issue, will send your ticket to the wrong team and severely delay your response. The description box is where you win or lose. Be concise, use bullet points, and include all necessary IDs like your user ID and any relevant transaction IDs. Do not use all caps or emotional language. Keep it brief, factual, and professional. Second method, the direct email. While the official online support form handles most issues, there are dedicated email addresses for specific high-priority actions that can speed up your process. For general, non-urgent inquiries, you can email info@roblox.com. However, if you are appealing a ban or a warning, you should immediately email the dedicated appeals team at appeals@roblox.com. This sends your case directly to the Moderation Review Department, bypassing the general queue and getting reviewed by the right eyes. Just like the form, include a detailed, polite explanation. Include your name, your Roblox account name, and any specific moderation warning details. A clear, factual email makes the appeal review process much quicker than an aggressive or vague message, so stick to the facts and supporting evidence. Third method, the billing and PIN unlock phone line. Roblox does not offer live phone support for general or appeal issues. This line is specifically for money-related problems. The phone line is primarily for payment and Robux issues, or for requesting a parent PIN reset. If you call about an account ban, they will direct you back to the online support form. You can call the dedicated Roblox billing support phone number, which is 1-888-858-2569. That is 1-888-858-2569. You must call during business hours and be prepared with your transaction details ready, as hold times can be long. Fourth method, the social media escalation hack. This is your last resort for complex issues that have been ignored for weeks, or if you are stuck in a cycle of automated responses. This method aims to draw public attention to your problem via social media, and hopefully get Roblox to respond quickly to avoid bad public perception. For more online gaming management, check out the description below. Now that you've mastered the process for contacting Roblox support, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more gaming video tutorials. Thanks for watching.